copy of the design, press the duplicate key. Press the rotate keys to rotate the design clockwise or counterclockwise. Press the flip keys to flip the design horizontally or vertically. To change the size of the design, press the resize key and the resize window will open. Each time you press the plus or minus key, the size will change by 1%. When you need to delete the design, select the design and press the delete key. Press the OK key if you are satisfied with the result of your editing work. The screen will return to the Ready to Sew window. You can view the individual colors of a design. Use the Next key to page through each color. In addition to the border designs, there are unique patterns similar to the stitches of ordinary sewing added in the monogramming mode. Let's begin making a layout with a pattern combination using the normal sew patterns. Select the editing mode. Open the Quick Reference List. Press the Page 4 key. Select the monogram list. Select Normal Sew. Select the designs you wish to sew. Press OK. Let's try arranging in an arc. Now, let's adjust the spacing. You can change the machine settings to suit your preference in the setting mode. For example, let's try to change the embroidery sewing speed. Press the Setting key and press the Embroidery Setting Mode tab. The embroidery setting window will open. Press the Next Page key to open the second page. Press the plus key to increase the speed or press the minus key to decrease the speed. To make your settings effective, press the Register key. Connect your PC and the sewing machine with the USB cable. The PC will automatically detect the new hardware. Installation of the device driver is only required the first time. Insert the MC11K Tools CD into the PC. The installation wizard will start automatically. Simply follow the on-screen prompts. The PC will install the device driver named JSMC860. The PC Folder tool is an application allowing you to open designated folders in your PC by pressing the PC tab in the Open File screen of your sewing machine. To begin with, Connect your PC and the sewing machine with a USB cable. Select the PC folder tool icon from the desktop of your PC and double-click to open. Click Browse on the left side of the window. The Browse for Folder dialog box will open. Select the folder you wish to view from the PC tab in the Open File screen of the sewing machine. Click Start to activate the PC folder tool. Only files indicated as JEF format will be displayed. Select the Embroidery mode and press the File Open tab. The built-in ATA card, USB key, CD, and PC tabs will appear. Press the PC tab. The folders in the drive selected with the PC folder tool will be indicated in the window. Continue to press the folder until the file you wish to open is indicated in the window. Press the file to import the embroidery design onto the visual touchscreen. Please note that designs imported from the PC are read-only. Be sure to register the embroidery design in the built-in memory or an ATA card or USB memory key attached to the sewing machine. The Screensaver tool allows you to choose from two screensaver modes. One is the conventional Echo mode, where the visual touchscreen darkens when the MC11000 has been inactive for a designated period. The other is the new Screensaver, which allows you to display a maximum of 3 pictures upon the visual touchscreen. Click the first picture key from the toolbar. The Open dialog box will appear. Select the drive or folder containing the desired pictures. You can select bitmap or JPEG format images. Press the Open button to open the selected picture. Repeat these steps to select the second picture and the third picture. Please read the instruction book for more details on setting picture size and interval times. Click the Write to Memory button on the toolbar to open the Write Screensaver File dialog box. Select the drive of the ATA card or USB memory key inserted into the PC and press the Write button to save the selected picture data as screensaver.bin. Press the Set tab on the visual touchscreen to enter the set mode. A check mark will appear when you press the Screensaver on-off key. If a check mark appears in the box, the pictures will appear when the sewing machine has been inactive for the time limit designated in Echo mode. If you would like to personalize the display with your own pictures, insert the ATA card or USB memory key containing the previously stored screensaver.bin file into the sewing machine. Next, press the sewing machine icon to the right of the Screensaver on-off key. A beep will indicate that your selection has been registered. Be sure to return the embroidery carriage arm to the stored position once you are finished embroidering. Remove the embroidery hoop. Press the ordinary sewing mode key and a message will appear on the screen. Press the OK key. The carriage will return to the home position. Retract the carriage arm to the stored position. Before carrying out any maintenance or cleaning, be sure to turn off the machine and disconnect it from the power supply. It is recommended that the hook area be cleaned at least once a month. Remove the needle and presser foot. Remove the hook cover and the bobbin. Remove the set screws with a screwdriver key supplied with the machine. Remove the needle plate. Lift up the bobbin holder and remove it. Clean the bobbin holder with a lint brush. Clean the feed dog and thread cutter mechanism with a lint brush. Clean the inside of the hook race with a lint brush and a soft, dry cloth. Insert the bobbin holder so that the knob fits next to the stopper in the hook race. Reattach the needle plate, aligning the holes on the needle plate with the needle plate guide pins and tighten the screw. Insert the bobbin and attach the hook cover. Attach the needle and presser foot after cleaning the hook area. Regular maintenance will ensure that your Memory Craft 11,000 runs trouble-free for many years. Happy sewing with the Memory Craft 11,000!